Ladies and gentlemen, show your love for one and only Joanne Wanjiku Waweru. Wapi makofi at the first one member. Joanne Wanjiku Waweru, a content creator with a wealth of experience, looking gorgeous. Wapi makofi yake jamani. A wealth of experience, bringing it to the DCC director. Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Hezron Kipkemoy. Hezron Kipkemoy, Communications Director at the Digital Content Creators Association of Kenya, with a wealth of experience in communication. Na amesoma kweli, si watu amateurs. And the next one, ladies and gentlemen, the Creative Director of the Digital Content Association of Kenya. Let's welcome super duper lady that has been all over Africa, representing Kenya at the Stress Music, representing Kenya at the MTV in South Africa, and she's just landed back into the country. Claudia Leshomo Naisabwa. Amima Kofi and Claudia, with a wealth of experience in events, creativity, an official of the Digital Content Creators Association. And the next one, ladies and gentlemen, Marketing Digital Content Creators Association, all over the country and beyond. Let's welcome Joseph Gashina, Marketing Director. And the next one is one person that is an investor in the creative industry and also a business person. Let's call him an entrepreneur. The guy won the ultimate comic as the funniest guy in Kenya and has gone ahead to establish himself as a creative in the industry that is to reckon with. He is the Deputy Secretary General, Sami Kioko. Makofi ya Sami Kioko, and of course of the Kioko Designs. Bringing in a wealth of experience in creative and creative art. Huyu ndiye alicreate Tom Daktari. Mpigieni makofi. And the next one is the Vice Chairperson of the association. This person has been very prolific when it comes to content creation, coming from a marginalized community, but now is no longer marginalized because she's the vice chair of the Digital Content Creators Association, as of course appreciating women in leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, Nasra Yusuf, Vice Chairperson. Thank you, Nasra, kupatia sura nzuri ya DCC. And the next one is the Chief Executive Officer of this wonderful association, the guy with a wealth of experience in production, has produced also other brands and has gone ahead to be one of the most sought after creatives in the industry in Kenya. Ladies and gentlemen, our CEO, Director Trevor Bonventure Monyari Chakibali. Are you ready for the next unveiling of the next creative? Are you so happy? Are you so far happy with the officials? No, I need you to tell me. Are you so far happy? Yes. And of course, the next one, who you to aliamuliwa kivyake by a panel of so many people, experts in the creative, and they thought he can handle political pressure on behalf of the Digital Content Creation Association of Kenya. And this person can battle it out with political elites like the ODM Secretary General Edwin Sifuna. He still can battle it out with another Secretary General Wauda, Hassan Omar. And we have therefore seen we need to get a big person for this position. Our Secretary General, mwenye ataweza kupambana na hao wengine wote when it comes to the association. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome a guy who has mastered the art of creativity for the past 15 years, from millennials to Gen Zs, and also created for himself. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome our Secretary General, Lawrence Mwangi, Terence, the creative. Ningependa tusimame so that I present to you our officials. Si mmesema mmewapenda. It is all balanced. Tusimame kidogo sasa because I would like all of you to focus here because I want to present you. Wala wamefunika kamera kunaweza waondokea because we want to do our confetti wote wakwe pamoja because we want to appreciate all these people. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present you the officials interim board of the Digital Content Creators Association of Kenya. Wapi makofi yao? Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for the officials. Makofi jameni. This is the team. This is the team in charge of creatives in the country. In charge of the photographers, in charge of the DJs, in charge of the musicians, in charge of the comedians, in charge of the models, in charge of the art, the policy, every person. Ladies and gentlemen, the belly of the interim board of the Creatives Association of Kenya. Wapi makofi kwa wasi, ladies and gentlemen.
God is good. Bwana asifiwe. Yeah. Nilikuwa na speech for the first time. Thank you so much for being here, ladies and gentlemen. It's an amazing thing, even without going to the speech. My fellow colleagues, people in the industry, friends in the industry, it's been a journey. It's been a long time coming, and we are happy that we are here. And as Jesse mentioned, this is just, we are part of you. So you are us, we are you. For the longest time, we have been trying to create this thing, but hatujakuwa nayo. We have not been having a home. Where do we take our complaints? Where do we take advice? Where do we get, someone to support? And when this idea came up, we said, why don't we do it? Because it's been a long time as waiting to come together. We are very organized in our art. We are very organized in our craft. But as an association, we have been very disorganized. That's why a lot of opportunities zimekuwa zikitupita. I'll give you an example that I normally use when Jesse is a witness and some of us here. When during COVID, the government had offered to support artists. And they said, tunataka tusimame na wasanii. Na wakatoa 100 million. Wanachia around 100, 200 million. Alafu sasa pakafika kwa ile swali ya mkubwa wenyu ni nani? Sauti zikatoka kila mahali, Kisii ni mimi, Murang'a, wapi? Wasanii kila mahali. Then one thing with organizations and government, they don't give money to an individual unless it is political. So we did not have anywhere, we did not have a home. as artists. A lot of manipulation has happened in our industry. Some of us don't know how to quote. Some of us underquote. They get the job. Some of us overquote. They miss the opportunity. But once you have an organization, an association like this, where you can get advice for free because you are an artist. We are talking about everyone as a digital creator. Anything that you are doing, from music, from DJ, so long as it's going digital, you are most welcome. And as they say, this is an interim team. This is a team that needed to be there. Bonafide members, because what we lacked ni watu wa kusimama, wajitokeze, tukuje tufanye kitu. But we are here and we are here to move the industry. We are here to change our skills into income. We are here to scrap things like pay bills. You understand? You work so hard, jina ni kubwa kuliko mfuko. You have very many millions of followers, you don't have an income. Who do you run to? You run to Kenyans. Kenyans wanakuanga wamekungojea, wanavuruta kitu uliandika ukiwa Mombasa. Mombasa incoming, Dubai incoming, Kisumu you're not ready for me, Malaysia is that you? Alafu wanakugonga nayo, wanakumbuka, do you remember? Sasa umekuja tutusaidie. We want to do away with those things. Wapi makofi yetu?